Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into the basics of Figma, one of the most popular design tools out there. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video has got you covered. So let's get started. First thing first, let's introduce you to Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design tool that's perfect for UI and UX design, prototyping, and collaboration. The best part, it's free to get started. So to begin, head over to the website, which is thefigma.com, and just have to sign up for a free account. Just click on Get Started for free. So if you already have an account, simply click on Login button. Now once you log in, you'll be greeted by the Figma dashboard, where you can create and manage your design projects. Let's create a new file. To begin, click on the Design File button at the top right-hand corner, which is the blue button, and then select your profile. And this will open a blank canvas where you can start your design. So the canvas is your workspace where all the magic happens. Now let's familiarize ourselves with the interface. On the left side, as you can see, we have the Layers panel. Here you can see all the elements in your design, as you can see here on the left part or the left panel. Now at the top, there is a toolbar. So basically here, it houses all the tools that you all need. It's right over here. And then on the right part, you'll find the Properties panel, where you can adjust the settings of your selected elements. Now let's explore some basic tools. The Frame tool allows you to create frames, which act as containers for other elements. The Shape tool helps you draw rectangles, circles, and other shapes. And the Text tool is used to add text to your design. Try experimenting with these tools to get a feel for them. Now to add an element, select the appropriate tool, for example here, and then just click or drag on the canvas. You can move the elements by dragging them and by resizing them by dragging the corners. Now to edit the text, just double click on it and type away the text that you would like to type. For example here, I'm going to change into About Us. Then for images, simply drag and drop them into the canvas from your computer. Now components are reusable elements that make your design process more efficient. To create a component, just select a component like this, then click on the Insert button, or drag and drop right here. So you'll find your components in the Assets panel on the left, so just drag and drop them onto the canvas whenever you need them. Now Figma also allows you to create interactive prototypes. To link frames, select the Prototype sub in the right panel, then click and drag the blue arrow from one frame to another. You can set interactions and animations here. You can also preview your prototype. Now, one of the Figma's standout features is real-time collaboration. To share your file, click the Share button at the top right and invite others via email. Multiple people can work on the same file simultaneously, making teamwork a breeze. So once you're happy with your design, you can export it. Select the elements you want to export, click Export in the right panel, choose your preferred format, and click Export again. Your design is now ready to be shared or used in development. And there you have it. You're now ready to start designing with the Figma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy designing.